Today is our monthly sales meeting. One of the things that we're going to talk about today is how do we build upon our current relationships with our customers, and how do we make them stronger, and how do we get them more involved in their insurance buying experience. And so one of the things we're going to do is we're going to head down here. We're going to try and hopefully this place will have some donuts or muffins or coffees or something.
Morning,
hey, how are you?
Doing good.
Good. Hey, what do you have to feed a bunch of sales guys first thing in the morning? One of the things we're going to address today at the sales meeting is the simple fact that it's okay to make mistakes. You know, we make mistakes. Everybody makes mistakes. I think what really shows our characters is how we handle those mistakes, and how we focus in on how the staff is going to handle that adversity, and kind of learn from that, and be able to, again, continue to build on what we're doing and learn from that. It's our philosophy. It's what we've done. It's what we're going to continue to do. At IOTT Insurance, customers king. It's always going to be that way. If they're not happy, I'm not happy. For the most part, I think a lot of the stuff that's going on, a lot of stuff that I see are coming from referrals. The focus on customer service started way back when I got into the insurance business about 18 years ago. In the insurance business, that's what we have. I mean, that's how we separate ourselves, is customer service, and the level of that customer service that we provide to our customer separates us. And if we're not at this level, we're not going to be successful. It's all about the client experience. And if the client does not have a good experience here, they're not going to tell their friends about us.
That was the hardest thing, like we said at the end, was to fire your old agent.
Yeah.
Because they've been with him for 25 years.
25 years. He was their stepfather's best friend. We just basically showed them that we had better coverage, better product, better price.
Mm-hmm. How did you go about determining that you had better coverage and better things?
Just sitting down and going over everything on their old policy and everything we could provide for them. There was a couple of key things, like the replacement cost on the tools, the contents inside the one building, the spoilage, the grain.
Equipment breakdown.
Equipment breakdown automatically included. So
over a period of time, basically a year and a half, I mean, they obviously felt comfortable with the relationship that you've built with them to make that leap. IOTT Insurance exists today because of the foundation that was established 60 years ago. Our main focus is our customers. Without our customers, IOTT Insurance doesn't exist. And so everything that we do every single day revolves around our customers and making that experience with IOTT Insurance a positive one for them.
So I call her back, and her husband, got her husband, he said, "Hey, Esther's at the old agent's office just ripping him one." I said, "Really? Why?" She called in to cancel all the stuff, and the agent goes, "Oh," because they had a house, that rental house they had. He goes, "We haven't had that insured for a year."
Oh.
She's like, "What?" He goes, "She is so happy that she sat down, went through everything with you guys."
Yeah, I think the moral of the story is that all the stories that we've told today have been a process, and that process is about building those relationships and building that trust. Well, just got done with the day today. I think we had a pretty successful day. We were able to talk to a number of the staff about the commitment that it takes to continue our ongoing relationships with our customers. Had a good sales meeting. Got some good feedback from the sales guys with regards to any issues that we've had to overcome here lately. And I think overall, we got this thing going in the right direction. And I think it makes me proud to be part of an organization that puts this much time into our relationships. And I think as a customer, as well as an employee of IOTT Insurance, it makes me feel good too that I got an organization working for me like that. I'm pretty proud of that.